Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're showing how to quickly factory reset your LG Smart TV. Start by turning on your LG Smart TV using the power button on the remote. Wait for the LG Smart TV home screen to fully load before starting. Now grab the LG Smart TV remote and move to the settings icon. On your LG Smart TV, open the full settings menu by pressing the gear button. Scroll down on your LG Smart TV until you reach All Settings. Select All Settings to open the advanced menu on your LG Smart TV. Look for the General option on your LG Smart TV screen. Click on General to access more system options on your LG Smart TV. Scroll down on your LG Smart TV until you see System. Open System to reach deeper reset options on your LG Smart TV. Now find the Reset to Initial Settings option on your LG Smart TV. Select it to begin the factory reset process on your LG Smart TV. Your LG Smart TV will now display a confirmation warning. Read the message carefully on your LG Smart TV before continuing. Choose OK to confirm the reset on your LG Smart TV. If a PIN is requested on your LG Smart TV, enter the default 0000. After confirmation, your LG Smart TV will start restoring settings. You'll see the LG Smart TV screen fade as the reset begins. This part may take a few minutes depending on your LG Smart TV model. Do not unplug your LG Smart TV during the reset process. Keep the LG Smart TV remote nearby in case it needs input. Your LG Smart TV will restart automatically once the reset is complete. Wait for the LG Smart TV boot logo to appear on screen. The LG Smart TV will now load the initial setup screen. Grab the remote and begin the setup steps on your LG Smart TV. Select your preferred language on the LG Smart TV. Choose your region settings on the LG Smart TV. Connect your LG Smart TV to Wi-Fi using your password. Let the LG Smart TV finish updating its network settings. Now sign into your LG account if needed on the LG Smart TV. Continue through the setup process on your LG Smart TV. Accept the user agreements on the LG Smart TV to proceed. Once done, the LG Smart TV home screen will appear again. Your LG Smart TV is now fully restored to factory defaults. Test the apps on your LG Smart TV to make sure everything runs smoothly. Adjust picture settings on your LG Smart TV if needed. Fine-tune the sound mode on your LG Smart TV. Reconnect any external devices to your LG Smart TV. Check HDMI connections behind the LG Smart TV for stability. Make sure cables are firmly plugged into the LG Smart TV ports. Restart the LG Smart TV once more for optimal performance. Enjoy the clean, refreshed interface on your LG Smart TV. This factory reset should fix most issues on your LG Smart TV. If problems remain, try updating software on your LG Smart TV. You can also clear app caches individually on your LG Smart TV. Always keep your LG Smart TV firmware up to date. For more guides, visit the support section on your LG Smart TV. That's how to quickly factory reset your LG Smart TV with confidence. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and enjoy your refreshed LG Smart TV.